Okay, now it's working. All right, back to this. Okay, fixing Google Sheets screw up. Okay, new and not improved. Okay, new and not improved Google Sheets. Okay, here's how we fix it. Highlight all the data. Okay, insert, whoop, not image, chart. Okay, insert charts. Okay, and as always, Google Sheets picks the wrong one. So we go down to scatter, we make a scatter plot. It has two sets of data which we do not want. All right, this is one of the things that you need to fix. We need to check the box that says use column A as labels, so this second set or second series of data here becomes the x-axis. So I click on use column A as labels, and now those values appear down here, which is better. Okay, that's what we want. Now, it still doesn't look like a graph because it doesn't have any vertical grid lines, and we'll get to that here in just a sec when we go to customize. All right, so one of the things I want to do in customize is change the chart title. So I'll say horizontal axis title, that's going to be normal force in newtons. Okay, our vertical axis title is going to be static friction in newtons. And our chart title, whoop, not subtitle, title, okay, will be Friction Lab normal versus static friction. Okay. All right, now we still don't have our vertical grid lines. So I'm going to close up that part and I'm going to go down to horizontal axis. Okay, in the horizontal axis section, for some reason this has changed. Okay, in Google's last update, this box is by default checked, and it sucks when it's checked. Okay, because it treats the labels as text instead of as actual numerical values, and they're numerical values. So we uncheck it and the grid lines appear. Okay, the grid lines appear and we get a more uniform looking graph. All right, instead of just having lines where the values are, it actually has them at regularly spaced intervals, which makes more sense. Okay, so now that we have that, then we want to put on our best fit line. We do that again through series. Okay, so we click the box for trend line, it puts it on there, and then we scroll down to where it says label, and we say use equation, boom. Now we have our y equals mx plus b. Okay, you'll be using this graph and especially this equation to help you calculate mu. All right, that is the point of the lab, is to be able to calculate the coefficient of static friction between the sled and the floor. All right, so if you're having trouble with making your graph and making it work right, you weren't alone. Okay, I didn't figure this out until 10 minutes left in period 4, and I worked on it solid through period 3. Okay, before I figured out how to fix it, and it basically came down to randomly checking boxes and hoping it would work. Okay, and then I got it to work and couldn't remember what box I checked and had to go back and do it all again until I figured it out. Okay, so that's how you fix it. You can make your graph look right and copy and paste it over. So when you're putting your lab report together, I'll attach this recording to the lab. Okay, so when you're putting your lab report together, this will be available. If you can't make it work, watch it again. Okay, all right.